Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 13th of December. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own chance. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Bitcoin, not a lot to see really. Working our way up to the a retest of the all-time high. This wasn't really a full triangle, but I'm treating this, well, we broke over declining resistance. The obvious next target is a retest of the all-time high at 104. We've been seeing a bit of a pause yesterday. It doesn't look as dramatic as the one on equities, but the one on equities is suggesting that we might be seeing a larger retracement coming sooner than I expected on equities. So we could find that this tries to be the second high of a double top when we retest it, but we should retest it first. On Solana, we've got an RSI 14 sell signal fixed as we have on Bitcoin. Neither of those anywhere close to target. And if we do a larger retracement, then of course we may well go and make those targets. What I would say in the short term, though, is I was saying the key resistance in my post a couple of days ago. I was saying the key resistance on Solana was the daily middle band, and look, we've come up, tested the daily middle band, and are still holding it as resistance. That's been holding for a couple of weeks as resistance. We're still above it on Bitcoin. We're above it on Ethereum, but here we're below it, and it's holding very well as resistance. That needs to be broken and converted to retest the high. Also, we're in a very clear bull flag channel here. I was calling it at the low here. We haven't quite made the double bottom target, which I've got in the 237.5 to 240 area. And I'm leaning towards seeing that, but mainly I'm leaning towards seeing a test of the flag resistance, which I've got currently in about the 237 area, and that needs to break to open up and give us a target at a retest of the high here at 264.52. All right, looking at Ethereum, where we've now got an RSI 14 sell signal fixed. So we've got RSI 14 sell signals fixed now across the board on all three of them. We've got here, we saw a break over declining resistance, and again, I've got a double bottom with a target higher, which hasn't been reached yet in the 40.50 area, and I'm expecting this to come back and retest 40.95. I'm watching equities carefully though, because I was thinking that we'd see these daily sell signals play out in a couple of weeks. It could be that it's going to be sooner than that. And I'm watching what's happening on equities carefully, because actually equities and crypto have been moving more or less in lockstep for the last few days. So what's happening on equities might be very important. We will see. Yeah, my pleasure, mate. It's everyone have a good weekend. I'll probably have an equities post out today, but probably won't do a crypto one. So we'll see how it goes today, and I'll catch you guys Monday.